At Gotham Solar Private Limited. Gotham Solar is a leading solar module manufacturing last 27 years.
Explain about your products.
And recently we have launched our N-type TOPCon solar panels, and that is available in our warehouse. Recently, which we have launched our warehouse in Lambda, Bangalore. So that's why we have arranged such kind of workshop to aware the people about the panels, as well as they can who's looking for the panels for the like rooftop and for the commercial industrial purpose also, they can get panels from our warehouse.
How many branches?
Sir, recently we have our manufacturing units in Uttarakhand, and we have our corporate office in New Delhi. So, and we coordinate Pan India from there, but we have lots of warehouse in Pan India, sir.
What's special from others company? Compared to other companies, solar, what is the special? Anything special?
We have a fully automatic manufacturing units. We have multiple manufacturing that are fully automatic. We are expanding our capacity up to 5 gigawatt in the next. We will achieve in the next financial year, and we have a lots of warehouse in in Pan India. So that makes a difference from our company. And
we also have multiple patents in solar industries. We have our first patent is for the frame, innovative frame design that we have. If you want to go a power plant setup, that will help to halve the numbers of fasteners used in the projects. First patent is for that, and second is the patent is for the busing tool. It is a tool for a machinery in that's the increase the speed of string machine. And we also filed one patent also for a transportation.
In South, how many branches?
these are specific of our company that makes a difference.
In
Yes.
South, how many branches? In South.
We have a warehouse in.
We have warehouse, and we have multiple sales service offices in Bangalore and in Karnataka, in South, in all over state, in all over districts. We have all service stations. And we
in South market.
Yeah. If we talk about the south part, the response is very good, and we supply to the EPC companies, and good response we get from the EPC. And actually, we are manufacturers, and we supply to the EPC.
and we supply approx 100 megawatt to in Bangalore. In all over Karnataka, we have supply 100 megawatt.
Any expansion plan?
Yes,
Coming days?
yes, we have expansion of our manufacturing setup. We want to expand our manufacturing unit to 5 gigawatt. The factory basically made in 50 acres of land. So that's why we want to expand our manufacturing unit to 5 gigawatt, which we will achieve in this financial years.
In Karnataka, we have a warehouse built in 5,000 square feet, and we will expand this warehouse up to 10,000 square feet. So this is our expansion plan, and we will do it in the next year. So.
Is there anything you require from the government, any policies or any something like that?
If you talk about policy, government supports to our domestic manufacturers, and we are happy with the policy from the government. So,
Thank you.
thank you very much.